Break free, transform, and be that shining star. Hey, this is Amanda from Atlanta. Just wanted to make this quick video about this testimony of my son and this awesome little blue pill called the Daybreak. And so my son this morning, he could hardly even walk. He couldn't get out the door, couldn't get in the car because he was hurting so much. He had been training all week for his AAU basketball tournament this weekend, but ended up getting hurt in the gym from lifting weights wrong. I'm not exactly sure what it is or what it's called, but he ended up getting hurt. And so at training all week, you know, he was hurting, he was still doing his thing, he was working hard, but getting through it and, you know, trying to work it out afterwards. But today he just could not move, and I was really worried about him. I'm like, how in the heck are you going to play this game? And so we agreed that I would give him one of the Daybreaks before. You know, I've been hogging them all. I need to get his own stash. And so we agreed that I give him one and that he'd take it. And so after the game, I asked him, I said, boy, I said, you were moving around good. I'm like, could you tell, you know, any effects from the Daybreak? And he's like, Mom, he's like, there's no way I would have been able to play if you had not given me the Daybreak. He's like, I don't know what it was in it that helped me get through it, but I was able to play, I was able to move, and I wasn't hurting as much. So I don't know what it is. I'm thinking it's the antioxidant power in this Daybreak that helped him, you know, because antioxidants help with inflammation. And so I'm thinking that's what it is. You know, we have different blends. I'm not going to go over the ingredients, but we have different blends in this awesome Daybreak. Let me read them off to you. So we have the Superfood blend, which is the antioxidants. We have the Oxygen Transport blend. We have the Clarity blend, which is also a nootropic blend. It's brain food for your brain. And then we have the Max Bioavailability blend, and that has all the different B vitamins. So get yourself a sample. We have a new sampling system. I'll make a video about that. But we have a sampling system. Go to www.thepowerof02freedom.com. Get your free sample. Sign up for it. I have to approve it, so make sure that you're not a robot. And you can get your free sample, okay? I'll give you a few days worth, or I'm sorry, you get actually 5 days worth. So anyway, sign up for your free sample. All right, thanks for watching this video. Or you can get in touch with me at 404-642-3514. Thanks for watching. Take care.